Hi. I'd like to talk about the important role that self-compassion has in reducing some of the shame or stigma that can arise by having a mental health condition. Research shows very clearly that people who are more self-compassionate and who also struggle with mental health issues are less likely to feel stigma about the way their brain works. So self-compassion involves being kind, understanding, and supportive to ourselves as opposed to harshly judgmental. It allows us to realize we didn't choose the way our brains work. So much of our mental health is determined by factors that are completely outside of our control. Our genetics, our brain wiring, our early family history, our social, economic, and cultural environment. If we could choose to have our brains work differently and just snap our fingers and be happy and cheerful all the time, we probably would. But it's more complicated than that. And so when we give ourselves compassion, we recognize this complexity. We realize we don't have to take it personally. Our mental health challenges have nothing to do with our intrinsic worth as human beings. And so if you do struggle with mental health issues, first of all, remember you aren't alone. Millions of other people also struggle as you do. But there are some things you can do to increase your ability to be compassionate toward yourself. One is just simply asking yourself the question, what do I need in the moment? Right? Instead of judging yourself or thinking you should be other than you are, you can simply say, what do I need? What would help right now? That's a really important step toward coping with some of your challenges. And the other thing you can do is you can practice self-compassion through, for instance, a meditation that I'm including this month. It's a meditation called Loving Kindness with Compassion, and it's designed to help deal with feelings of inadequacy. And so if you are feeling inadequate or you're feeling stigma or shame in some way because you're having a mental health challenge, I would invite you to listen to this meditation. It's about 20 minutes and it will help you cultivate feelings of goodwill toward yourself. Goodwill, warmth, kindness, and really important, it'll help you accept yourself as the beautiful, imperfect human being that you are. Thank you.